Hi, I'm Nermin, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. Now I'm gonna make an iconic Egyptian dish, macarona forn, which means pasta bake. Now let's get started. I'm gonna add the meat. Just a drizzle of olive oil. Keep stirring the meat. There is some cumin, some Egyptian meat spices. Add some coriander, paprika, pepper. I'll add salt. I'm gonna add my onions. Add the garlic at this point. Okay, I'm gonna add, this is a marinara sauce. Now I'm gonna add my tomato paste, and the tomato paste is gonna give a very nice depth of flavor to the. If you feel that the liquid is low in the pan, feel free just to add like I would say quarter a cup, so the meat doesn't burn. To make the white sauce, I'm gonna use milk. Bring the milk to a very gentle simmer, and then I'm gonna turn off the heat and let the spices impart the flavors for 15 minutes. After infusing the milk with the allspice, bay leaves, and cloves, I transferred it to this measuring cup, and I'm gonna start making my white sauce. Here I have 6 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna add them to this saucepan. Add 6 tablespoons of flour to the butter. Keep stirring around this mixture until it becomes golden. To this paste, I'm gonna pour the milk slowly and keep whisking. I'm gonna season my white sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit of white pepper. You can feel free to use black pepper, a little bit of salt. We keep whisking. My sauce, as you can see, beautifully thick. I will add cream cheese, almost 2 tablespoons, a little bit of grated Parmesan, gonna give it a stir, and my white sauce is ready. Now I have my tomato meat sauce ready. I have my white sauce. I have here my al dente penne pasta, and it's time to assemble that goodness. I'm gonna start with a layer of white sauce. Smear that layer, just spread it across your baking dish. Just a layer of pasta here. I will mix that penne pasta with some of the white sauce. Now it's time to add my luscious tomato red meat sauce. Time to add some more pasta, also in an even layer. And I'm gonna add some extra cheese, some mozzarella, and I can't stop here. I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese too. Now it's gonna go to the oven. I'll put it at 180. I would say between 25 to 35 minutes. It depends how strong your oven is. Hi, I am back with my Egyptian macarona forn or pasta bake, and look at this. I'm gonna cut it. Macarona form pasta bake. Please try to make it. I can't wait to see your comments below the video, and I will be back with another interesting recipe from the Mediterranean.